How to host virtual events on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to vimeo.com and log into your account. This is my account, as you can see, and this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here on features and go here to host virtual events, and after you click on it, now as you can see, all what you have to do is click on get started. And now all what you have to do, of course, is you should pay this price right here. If you want annually or monthly, it's gonna be more cheaper. And then all what you have to do is, after you pay and you get the pro mode, you will be able to host a virtual events, as you can see, as a professional business owner. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.